Hey, what's going on? It's me again. 3 weeks? I hope. Man, a lot my hair has been happening, so I haven't had time to update. Don't ask. So yeah, nothing's really going on today. Everything that happened already happened. That was probably creepy. Anyway, so nothing's really going on today. My dog's getting fixed tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yeah. Poor dog. He's gonna have no balls. Can you believe that? No balls. So, yeah, that's what's going on. I'm getting whacked. That was my head, wasn't it? Yeah, so there you go. Oh, I'm going to summer camp this year. Yep, I get to work there all summer, like $1,100 or something by the end of the summer. So I get to do that, and that's gonna be awesome. Money. Oh, you probably don't remember that. I don't even remember that. I don't even know where it came from. So yeah, I get to go to summer camp. I have family coming up, graduation, blah 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 blah. The audio is probably lagging right now. Okay, now that it caught up with me, probably didn't. Yeah, so that's what's going on. More videos will be coming now that I'm awesome and sexy. I'm sexy. So, there you go. Take that as you will. That's all I'm going to tell you right now. I'm so anxious. I got loads of stuff to tell you guys. And to tell myself. No, to do myself to tell you. Forget it. Anyway, so I'm going to upload this. Direct upload again. No editing. So the audio will probably be bad. Oh well. Sorry guys. Sorry. I apologize deeply. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Love all y'all. Yeah, y'all. That's it, so peace out.